Hello guys, welcome to this channel. How you guys doing? I hope everyone is fine. In our last lesson, we were talking about part of speech. We mentioned that a noun is a name of a person, an animal, a place, or an object. So that is a noun. So in this lesson, we shall be discussing about the different categories or the different types of nouns. In English language, there are 10 categories or 10 types of nouns. For the purposes of this video, we shall be discussing about just 2 of them, but we shall continue with the rest of them in our subsequent videos. So the 2 categories that we are going to be talking about are common nouns and proper nouns. So let's see, what is a common noun? A common noun is a noun that is not specific. Most of the times you can identify them by the way they are written, like they do not start with a capital letter, except when they are at the beginning of a sentence. Let me make an example with school so that you can understand much better. Schools are on vacation. School starts with a capital letter because it is at the beginning of the sentence. So let's have this other example. I am going to school. So we can see that school starts with a small letter. So that tells you it is a common noun. So let's look at proper nouns. Proper nouns are nouns that are very specific. For example, Bangkok. Bangkok is a proper noun. So let's make an example with Bangkok. Bangkok is a big city. Bangkok is a big city. So Bangkok starts with a capital B. Let's see this other example. I am going to Bangkok. I am going to Bangkok. Even though Bangkok is at the end of the sentence, it still starts with B. Why is that? Because Bangkok is a proper noun. The thing you can take away from this video is proper nouns are nouns that start with capital letter no matter where they are found in a sentence, while common nouns are nouns that start with capital letter only if they are at the beginning of the sentence. If a common noun is found in the middle or at the end of a sentence, then that particular noun starts with a small letter. So now let's have a comparison between a common noun and a proper noun. Common noun, we have country. Proper noun, we have Thailand. Common noun, we have city. Proper noun, we have Bangkok. Common noun, we have car. Proper noun, we have Nissan. Common noun, we have coffee shop. Proper noun, we have Starbucks. The thing I want you to take away from this video is that common nouns are unspecific, while proper nouns are very specific. So before we go, please kindly do this exercise. In the comment section of this video, please write down 5 common nouns and 5 proper nouns. I would like to see them. And that is all for our lesson today. Thank you very much, and see you in next class. Goodbye.